Let's take a look at how to use the group tasks. Now, I think this will be particularly useful for those of you working with multiple people to keep things in order, and for the group leader to delegate tasks. So you have agreed that that leader is going to do that. Now, the leader needs to be involved, of course, as well, but the tasks are a good way to keep things organized. So tasks can be found under the group tools or on your left menu. So I have nothing created yet, so let's create a group task. So I'm going to say my responsibility. So Sarah, what should I do? I should do hypothesis 1. Propose a hypothesis. Alright, so the task name is required, where these little stars are, required fields. So hypothesis, that's what I'm supposed to do. And let's say use the question to formulate a hypothesis for the experiment. So let's say that's going to be due on March 20th, for example. And this is a high priority. You can do low, normal, or high priority. This is one of the quickest things that need to be done. So high priority. So let's do submit. And there it is. So here's a high priority item. It's yellow with the red exclamation point. So if you click on that, it's going to talk about, there's the title, what to do, when's it due, and the priority. Super easy to use. So let's do another task. Let's make it low priority. So decide on poster color. So you don't have to put a description. I'm going to skip that this time. And let's do this by the 21st, for example. Let's make this low priority. Hit submit. Low priority. So there is a down arrow saying, oh, it's low priority. How about a medium priority? This would be to start research. I'm just going to pick a random date, the 22nd, why not? Normal priority. Submit, and there we go. Okay, so let's create one more high priority item. So say materials. Make it a high priority, put it on the 22nd. Okay, so it sorts these first by priority, which is kind of nice. So you can sort it by name if you have the name at the top, like Sarah. So it'll have those together. Or you can sort by priority, which one's high priority, which one's low priority, which one's normal. So click that again and the highs go up to the top. You can do it by the due date. So the first thing to do is propose a hypothesis, and then the next important thing is the 22nd for materials, just as an example. These are not your actual due dates. And let's say I've done one of them. I've done the hypothesis. So you click the arrow next to it and you say, okay, I'm working on it now. Okay, so it says in progress in the task status by this person. And then let's say I finish coming up with a hypothesis. You said set complete, and then it says changing the status of a group task. We'll do it for all members, that's fine. Hit OK, and completed. There we go. So that one is done. So I recommend you don't delete these. Just leave them there, and you can search using the status button. You can look at completed tasks. Oh, that's for multiple. I see. Okay. So don't delete them, just leave them up there and set tasks as started, in progress, or completed. If you want to edit it, you can. So propose a hypothesis. So edit, hit submit, and when you click on it, it will be the edited version. Alright, I really like this tasks. I think this would be really good for the leaders to delegate things and to keep track with everybody and how people are doing. Alright, next one done.